What's up, everybody? This Night Train. This bucket.
And your man Breezy.
And your boy Cap.
Well, I wasn't dribbling, so I couldn't.
Oh!
Love me.
Screw you.
I was to Ethan. But...
I see you, Ethan.
Oh my God,
I was
Ethan.
open. Sorry.
Oh, let's go.
Lob.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my!
Oh,
Oh my!
Jeez.
Oh my God.
Lob City.
Go, Ethan. Go, Ethan.
Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player.
Oh.
Ethan, do the I can't dance one.
Okay.
3,
1, 2, 3.
2.
Wow. Dude,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, get that out of here.
That was on me, boy. Don't worry.
Boy. I'm a bum, boy.
My God, Ethan, stop taking dumb shots.
That
We're
wasn't
gonna
dumb.
lose because of you.
Yes, no.
That was just bad release.
No, that was a dumb shot, boy. For a rebound.
Tim, what? Oh, frick.
Got a kid.
That's a good shot.
Bring those balls here, boy.
Bring that out here, boy.
I thought it was a new game.
So,
Sniper elite.
come on, where's the lob?
Sorry.
It's Gucci.
Freaking there, man.
Wow, this guy is.
Come on, get
one-man
salty.
team. That was such a good shot. My guy's not playing, so we double team. Oh shit.
Oh, dang, I just got postered.
Oh my
Get
God.
that out of here.
Oh! That's a double, get that out.
Oh my!
How?
Any longer.
Shoot it, hurry, before that guy comes. Yeah!
Get that out of
Get
here.
that out of here!
I packed him and you fouled him. Oh.
Dang.
Send that to the next galaxy.
Sorry.
What's up?
Nothing much. What about you?
Well, for me, it's the sky. I don't know about you.
But you're outside?
Yeah, Tim, I'm outside.
Never.
I'm playing by the dumpster. Jeez.
Dimer.
Tim questions my lifestyle like I can control it. You know how you feel me, Jake, right?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Oh, get that out of here!
Look at Tim's glory. Not even English, but it's good.
I packed that guy so hard. Like harder than Jake does my sister.
What? Why would you say that?
I don't know.
Why would you say
Yeah, I
that?
packed that guy.
Honestly, why? It's so unnecessary. Most unnecessary thing I've ever heard.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
Yeah.
I'm
That's
sorry,
an Ethan
guys.
shot. Oh my.
Yeah.
Mondays be like.
Put in work.
Rah. Got half their points, boy.
Ethan, I can't dance. Aw, dang, I pressed the wrong one.
Wow, well, we both know you can't dance.
Jake, why do we always have to change?
You wear the same clothes
I
twice
actually
a
like
day?
changing. I know. Tim, in 2K we can actually be rich.
Yeah. Well, you can actually be rich.
Wow.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Oh my.
I'm just kidding.
Jerk. Dude, you're so messed.
Oh my gosh.
I just.
I'm crying now.
Turn this off!
Face hurts.
What's up, everybody? It's
Elaine.
Night Train is fucking squad.
Oh my gosh. And your man breathing.
I don't know, Ethan's playing some gay
And you work
emotional
out.
stuff.
Well, sorry, all like when that new like Left 4 Dead trailer thingy, like it just got me all pumped.
That's green. Not really green though. Swears he's Kyrie with the Ivy jersey. Okay, Tim.
Oh, he can shoot.
No
My
one's
bad.
in the post. Oh. How?
Give me
Is
that.
that contested? Oh, Tim, you got me though. But really, are you eating though? Are you eating?
Are you
though?
eating? But really, are you eating though? Eating though?
Jake, this is how you cheese.
That's not cheesing. You're just doing spin moves. Cheesing is just creating space like this.
Wow.
You a
You're
bum.
dead, bro.
What the hell? Look at these clamps.
Oh, dang.
Look at those clamps. I'm guarding everybody. Look at these clamps.
Look at these clamps.
You're playing offense.
Come on,
These
Ethan.
clamps? What the
Shoot
heck?
it,
Why didn't
what
I take a shot?
It's green. Not really green.
Oh, almost got those butterfingers though.
I know.
Oh.
Pass
Okay.
it.
You act like I tried. Like I didn't try.
Oh my god.
I know. Wow.
These clamps. These clamps. These clamps. Shit.
Wow. Wow.
Tim just got 2 boards.
Got you, Ethan.
Tim, hold down B.
Oh yeah.
What is going on? Oh. Ethan.
Dang.
Not from me.
Jeez. Tim's a machine though.
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
my god.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
It's
Ball don't
their
lie.
ball. I
Guess
think.
so.
It's never
Our
mind.
ball. But really, are you eating though? Are
Oh,
you
shut up.
eating though?
Are you eating dough?
Ethan.
Ethan,
What?
what are you?
What?
Oh my gosh.
Finally.
Give me that.
Ethan, get off the side.
Really, are you eating dough? Are you eating dough? Really, are you eating dough? Oh yeah. Oh my gosh.
So,
Came back.
wow.
You a bumster.
Cum dumpster. Oh my. Okay, Ethan. God, you take the dumbest shots. It's probably dumber than Zach.
No.
Oh,
Zach
he fell
actually-
down. Shoot it.
Please. Put him on the floor. Oh. My shot meter lagged. Oh, I'm getting double teamed.
Come this way.
I'm Ethan.
Come my way. Oh
My gosh, I'm lagging. Dang,
Tim.
Tim.
Oh my gosh.
I got 10 boards.
What?
I'm not sure who's carrying the team right now. Tim or you? Set that screen, boy.
Bring that ass here. Ethan, wrong
Oh,
Oh,
side.
man.
Get up. That's right.
Ah.
Oh, where's he going? Oh, where's he going?
Baby, won't you come my way?
Wrong side, Ethan.
Oh, that was bad. Came out of nowhere, boy.
Right side.
Tim's joking.
Throw your lob. Ball up.
Oh gosh.
Oh my, Tim.
Oh my
Look at these clamps.
Oh,
god.
man.
Look at these clamps. Wow. Lob City. Wow.
Oh my god.
Nice lob.
Are you kidding me?
That went right through your arms.
If they make it 3, that means we suck. Oh my!
Oh my god.
Oh my!
What?
Holy crap. Oh, bro.
We win by 16.
Oh, man.
Wow.
Press B.
Oh wow.
No assists. Jake.
Let's go.
I was trying to do it,
They have to
Ethan.
foul me.
New
Bring
shot
those
clock.
balls
Let's
here,
go.
boy.
Bring that ass
Thanks.
here, boy.
Alright. I'm gonna go for the one because I'm a bum.
We really
Like I
really?
said. I'm going for the one because I'm a bum.
Jake,
Oh
I
my-
almost beat your record. I was at 17. Dang.
I should have.
Ethan, top rock.
You should've
told me.
missed.
Oh, Ethan doesn't have
Yeah.
top rock. Whatever.
Not on me.
Dang.
First games of the day, homie.
Not really, because we just did one before this.
I just said game plural, nigga.
Oh. Whatever.
Let's get it.